You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is v equals 55/84. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Break up the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 11/9 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the v. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 15/-28. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is v equals 55/84.